Hey YouTube, it's Garrett here. It is 7 a.m. on this beautiful morning in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. I'm on my way to meet the boys for a good old morning of kayaking on the Okatoma River. We had a great time kayaking in Clearwater, so figured I should kind of document this one, make it kind of a vlog, like my first ever one. So hopefully things go smoothly. The camera quality is good, as well as the commentary. And if this is any indication of the trip upcoming.
What's happening? What's happening? What's happening?
This is my shit. I love this.
Yeah, we should have a pretty good time. Hopefully it's a lot of fun. The boys we are meeting up with today are Chase and Steven. Okatoma is a fun little river to kayak on. It's got a couple little, water chutes where you kayak down. A lot of opportunities for flipping the boat. We're gonna try really hard not to flip the kayak, but it'll be really fun to get one of the other guys to flip over. So we'll see if we can get lucky. My money's on Chase. If the earlier clip didn't prove anything to you about his kayaking skills, we'll see how it goes. Clearwater River was beautiful. It had an awesome current. You could see all the way down to the bottom, crystal clear water. Quite opposite of the river we're about to be in right now. I hate merging. I don't see how vloggers do this, like, normally. I guess they have a camera mount, because I'm kind of holding it right now, so it's probably why it's really shaky. Sorry about that. But yeah, Clearwater is a beautiful, beautiful. Edit. God damn it.
Sit on the log?
Sit on the log in the water. All right.
Hold on. I can't
wait,
keep my eyes open though.
Wait, you don't have to. You're wearing sunglasses. Shit. 1, 2, 3. Sit on the log and smile. Go. I didn't cut the 3.
The log's gone.
Okatoma should be fun too. Not as clear, a little more brown, but that's Mississippi for you. So we're gonna have a lot of fun with it. I think the biggest question on my mind right now is, do I stick with the Ray-Bans, which very stylish pair of sunglasses, but a little loose around the head, so more prone to flipping and losing them, or do I go with the Oakleys? A lot more snug around, more sporty style. And if I do wind up flipping, unfortunately, then the glasses should be safe. Either way, I'm not losing any money because I found both of these sunglasses at my job. They were left by some, golfers that don't seem to care about things, so, oh well. I think we're gonna go with the Oakleys. They stand a little better. We'll do that. And none of the boys are in the living room. Ah, there's one of the boys right now.
Stop.
This is Steven. He's taking a poop.
No.
Is Chase taking a poop?
No. I don't really know if he's woken up yet.
Oh, is he not here?
He's up.
Oh. Chase taking a poop?
You should just go up there.
Let's go up there. Chase is probably putting on his tennis shoes right now to go kayaking. Ah, bitch is sleeping. Wow. You naked under there? Love you. All right, on the Okatoma. Wave, boys.
Scooted right
The all-natural bridge that was nature-made up here. It's all natural. We're good.
The tree was man-made though.
Yeah. It's gonna be weird paddling with one hand. I'm used to one-handed actions though, you know.
The first obstacle right here will be hit by Chase.
Yeah. Water's not as clear as clear water. That's where they get the name from. But hey, it's water. We're outdoors. We're off the video games, the computer systems.
I like these.
Hello, sir.
Better.
Hello.
They are a lot more comfier. You want to straighten me out here real quick?
What's happening here? Yeah, I'll straighten you out.
Fuck you.
Thanks, man. Look like a professional right now, like kind of just drifting sideways.
I know.
Oh, he went nude. Coming up some heavy rapids up here. It's basically a waterfall.
Yeah.
Steven's going around the easy way, I see.
This is the equivalent to the Niagara.
We're gonna go to the hard way. Oh God. Oh God.
Wait,
Here it is.
inadvertently-
Whoa! Barely made it through that one.
How many drugs did you take before you came?
There are no drugs. Only adrenaline. Oh God. I think I hit a shark. Oh God, the waves. Yeah! Woo! Oh, it's cold! Oh, my ass is cold!
I remember that being higher, Garrett.
What?
I remember that being higher.
Oh, shit.
I remember that being higher.
Oh. Do we want to try it?
Really, it looks kind of boring.
Ugh. I got a lot of water in my kayak right now. I'm going to park.
I thought you were going down. Did you really?
I really have a lot of water in my kayak right now.
I saw you like go straight when you hit a part and went, wow.
Yeah, I feel a little heavy.
You need to dump it?
Yeah, I'm going to flip it over real quick.
Get the pasty.
All right. Show us how it's done.
Do it, Steven. Backflip. No backflip. But
Hey, he caught the glasses. We're good.
not that deep, by the way.
All right, so I won't do a dive. Here we go.
Do it.
Do a little selfie action cam.
It's an action shot.
Action shot. Oh, it's cold.
Gotta use
There we go. Oh, there's a stick right here. Oh my God. Oh.
I told you it wasn't that deep.
Yeah, but it was a stick here.
Wait for Garrett to move.
All right, right here is where it's at, and it was 2 inches from going up my ass. Oh my God, I'm a bruise. All right.
Got an asshole bruise?
Oh.
Get that on camera. The log.
Yeah, we'll see.
Go right there.
All right, a little deep.
It's not deep.
It's not deep. It's not deep. It's not hard swimming to hit the current.
You're going down, man.
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. Just gotta find a platform. Eventually.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
How do you just get back over here?
Just throw my kayak to me. It'll be fine. Yeah, what I'm standing on is usually like above water.
Yeah.
That's how high it is.
so.
Are you sliding in? Sliding in those DMs.
I just want to sit here.
Oh, I thought I was gonna slide. All right, here we go. Oh no! Oh! Oh, my back! How's Chase doing? Is he gonna make it? No, the life vest! Too far! It's already gone. It's gone. Took in so much water on that. Alright, now we gotta make our way over here.
Alright. Navigate.
I remember this tree being here.
I remember this deer though.
Yeah. We just mastered this water over here at the kayak. Now we're gonna master it with our bodies.
Master it with the body.
You want to slide in the middle. I'm out to get the kayak.
You can get stuck. Remember that Ann Colby's brother got stuck?
Oh yeah, he did.
Like, yeah, I don't know, man. We're gonna fall.
That other side is easier to do.
Oh, there is. Yeah, it's slippery.
This is how Jared loses his camera.
It's all right. I got a wrist strap. It's a little tougher right now. Oh God, I might just slide. Huh?
I'm not feeling good about that.
Why not? It's fine. It's fine.
Going down when you're out of weight.
Almost there. Bathing suit falling off right now.
Yeah.
Got a sensor down here. Look how high up it is. Ah! Oh, it's so heavy. Oh God, I almost slipped. I'm finding like the divots in the rocks for my feet. Ah!
I don't know about this.
I mean, this is what we're looking at right now. Fast moving water. And we're gonna go in that and hopefully come back out. We're good. Oh, the camera still. Almost fell. I lost some progress in half my bathing suit. Ah. I'm alive! I'm alive! I got him! Wait! Woo! That was slightly terrifying.
Did you get stuck?
Huh?
Did you get stuck?
No, I just fell. Let me zoom, hold on.
No, hold on. No, hold on. No way.
Oh man.
I hit like 3 things on the way down too.
Welcome to Jackass. Another trip at Okatoma done. We heading to the finish line. Say bye to the big rapid. Bye. Bye bye.